This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up Quotex. To begin your journey, first visit the official Quotex website on your computer or mobile device. Look for the Sign Up or Registration button, usually located prominently on the home page, and click it. You will then need to enter a valid email address and create a strong, unique password for your account. Remember to choose a password that combines letters, numbers, and symbols for enhanced security, protecting your future trading activities. After creating your basic account, the platform will prompt you to complete your profile with essential personal information. Please provide accurate details like your full name, as this is crucial for future verification processes. You will also select your preferred currency for all your trading operations. Choose wisely, as this typically cannot be changed easily later. Finally, carefully review and agree to the platform's terms and conditions and its privacy policy before proceeding further with your registration. With your profile complete, you are now ready to fund your Quotex account and begin trading. Navigate to the deposit section, which you will find easily within your user dashboard. Quotex offers a variety of convenient payment methods, including major bank cards and popular electronic wallets, allowing you flexibility. When entering your desired deposit amount, keep in mind that the typical minimum required deposit is usually $10, making it accessible for many new traders to start. Now that your account is funded, take a moment to explore the Quotex platform's intuitive interface and the wide range of available trading assets. A valuable first step is to utilize the free demo account. This allows you to practice different trading strategies without risking any real money. Once you have built confidence and feel prepared, you can switch to your live account and place your very first real trade, beginning your exciting journey into financial markets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.